Hi guys. So today I'm going to be talking about something that I think is really important, which is how to stop vetting men and allow men to vet you. Okay. So in this guru era where everybody's so obsessed with trying to become a fake guru with whatever they're doing or whatever and don't know what they're talking about, so much is being pushed on women to actually do a lot of the work to make men notice them when they don't even have to do half of that work. So, what I'm going to do is put an end to that right now with this video. When you are going out, get yourself out of the suitor position by stop looking around, doing all of the viewing and looking and scouting and putting yourself next to the right person and everything. Because let me tell you this, if men are in the building, they're already doing it. You don't have to do that. All you have to do is go out, have fun, dance. You don't have to shuck and jive and scam people to get a drink. You don't have to do it. Because the thing is, a lot of guys are looking around looking for girls that are having fun because they're trying to see who they want to hang out with for the night, or maybe just at that location. And a lot of people in general, whether you're talking about guys, friends, anybody, people love to join people who are having fun. So you need to go out and just have fun wherever you are going. I mean, you can put yourself in upscale places, but it's not always necessary, because it doesn't matter where you're going. As long as you're minding your business, having fun, looking confident while you are out, somebody is going to approach you, whether that's on the street, at the CVS, at a restaurant by yourself, or if you're at a crowded bar with your friends or alone. But what's key right here is looking like you are having fun and actually having fun. Because I feel like so many women go out with the intention of trying to get drinks that actually repels all the opportunity, because people can tell. People can tell if you're that lonely girl at the bar that's looking around or making too much eye contact. And too much eye contact for me is making eye contact at all. Every guy that has ever approached me while I was out, I did not see them before they were coming. Not one. I'm talking about literally if I was in a CVS, if I was in a restaurant, if I was at a bar, if I was at a club, any guy that has ever approached me, and all of them came out of nowhere and they made sure to treat me to some nice things, or treat my friends, or take care of all of us for the night. Most times for nothing in return. They just wanted to come over and have fun with some girls that were having fun in the club. We've gotten VIP tables, we've gotten on stages, I got a few cards to swipe. People will give you their cards because they're drunk. People be tripping. I've also met some great supporters. Okay, I met some great supporters that way, and also met some guys that I ended up dating. So that went really well. So yeah, just go out and have some fun. But also, don't be making that weird eye contact looking around because you're trying to get a drink. Because this is the thing. Y'all can go to the liquor store and buy a handle and mix it with some soda and split it between all of y'all for $5 or $10. So going to and pre-gaming at your house. And it's safer anyway because you don't have to accept drinks from strangers when you're out. So, and it's cool. It looks even better if you turn down the drink from the stranger sometimes. So that's another thing. But you have to be going out and having fun. Not going out trying to make weird eye contact with strangers or trying to sit too close, because what you're going to come off as is the thirsty girl who's looking for somebody to buy them a $6 drink or something. Or you're just going to come off as the lonely girl, and you don't want to. You want them to approach you because you're so much in your own zone that you don't even notice them. And they will do it, because men are not going out to just be alone 99% of the time. So all of this work that you guys are doing is actually repelling all this. Oh, how do I get the man, and how do I vet him, and how do I do this, and how do I get him to buy me a drink? all of that stuff you're doing, you're actually repelling them because you're trying too hard. So go and just have some fun and stop trying to listen to all these weird people on the internet who's telling you gotta work extra hard to get a $6 drink in the club, because it's not that hard. It's not that hard. So yeah, that's what you have to do when you're going out, and I will be talking to you guys later. Also, this shirt came from Boohoo. I'm not sure if it's still on there anymore, but I would just search striped shirt. These earrings also came from Boohoo, so I think so. I think they did, but I'm not sure. I think they did though. But yeah, so you can hit me up on Actual Black Mermaid. On Instagram, or Imani_Yvonne2 on Twitter. If you want to set up a session with me, you can just message me on there. Sessions are email based only. I do not go and meet up with people because it would be unfair to people all over the world if I'm going to meet up with certain people that are close to me. That makes no sense. I also do not do phone calls because I would never sleep. Look at all the other people who are doing consultations and taking phone calls. It never stops. So it's email based only, and trust me, you will learn. My sessions only take maximum 9 weeks to see success, and most of everybody sees success in the first 1 to 4 weeks. So yeah, you can also view that on Instagram. So I will be talking to you guys later, and I love you guys. Thank you.